Hey y'all, Ashley here. Hope you're doing well. Today I wanted to come on and share a few really cute little products I received from Craspire. I will link their website below and links to all the specific products I'm mentioning and also a little discount code as well. But I wanted to show you what I got. So they have a bunch of wax seal products. And there were a few things specifically I was looking for, but there was this one thing that I just got, which is kind of random, but I just really like this image of this wolf and the moon in the background and the mountains. I just personally really like this. So I got this guy more for myself, but this is just a very standard size, which is how almost all my other wax seal stamps are. I only have I have a handful, but they're mostly this size, and I do sometimes struggle with using this size on like mini albums or like, you know, embellishments or stuff like that, because it's a little bit large usually, I think. So I specifically was looking for some smaller seals, and I'm so happy with the size of these small seals that I got. They are so mini compared to the standard size, and the butterfly one is super cute. And again, I'll link this exact product in the description, but because they have a few different butterfly ones I saw, but I really loved this one. And yeah, look at this sizing. It's just like, it's gonna be such a cute little touch on something, you know, on like a cover of an album, or even on like an embellishment. This will fit. So yeah, I'm really excited to play with this guy. So that's this first butterfly one. I did pick up a couple other shapes too. I had to get the strawberry. Look how cute. I know it's kind of you know, not the correct season for this one anymore, but I do have lots of product that I feel like would go really well with this. Not just like Maggie Home Sweet Story, but also Pink Fresh Studio. I have their Berries and Blooms washi, which is full of strawberries, and I just feel like that would also look really cute with this one. And I mean, on anything, any kind of summery fun springtimey project, I feel like this would look really cute. So really happy with that one. And then the last of the mini ones is this guy, and yeah, it's a little cherry blossom. Again, look at the like little detailing on it. It's so pretty and just tiny and cute. I just really love it. And then these are all also very like heavy, so it's like pretty, it's like sturdy, it's substantial, you know, it feels like really good quality. So yeah, happy with that one. So those are my 3 little mini ones. I cannot wait. I will use these on a project soon, and then I'll show you what it looks like. But I at least just wanted to show you like just the product for now, and like, yeah, just like a little, just so you can see. But look at this last one. I don't have any seals that are this shape, this oval shape, and I'm so happy with how this looks. Like, it just looks so elegant and classy. The rose in this oval, just want to make sure it's picking up all those details. It's so pretty. So yeah, I will actually stamp these out and show you guys, but for now I just wanted to show you and tell you about this website too, because you know, they reached out to me. I hadn't seen their website before, so yeah, I think they have so much stuff on their site. I spent a long time like browsing. They also have really cool like waxes. They have really pretty colors, like pastel-y colors, which I don't have any of that, so I did almost get that, but I decided instead to get like more I really wanted these like small ones and like different shapes and stuff, just for some more variety. So my seals that I have, like, they are kind of more standard colors. None of them are like that pastel look that I really personally prefer now, but that's okay. I think it will like some gold or something will look really good. It's just like a little touch, or even the white one. So yeah, I will show you guys that later when I make a little project with it. But in the meantime, I hope you like seeing what I got, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.